Hello students, this is Miss Nisha here. Well, I would just like to take a few minutes of yours and explain to you the assignment 2 and what you are supposed to do on this assignment. Well, as you know, this assignment is connected to your daily logs. You need 5 daily logs for this assignment. And if you take a look at the assignment, you have 5 weeks, week 1, week 2, 3, 4, and 5, which means week 1 is for your daily log 1, then daily log 2, 3, daily log 4, and daily log 5. Now, what you have to do here is you can see the categories on the left hand side. The categories like classes, studying, sleeping, exercise, family commitments, etc., and the total number of hours. Now, what I mean by the classes over here is in week 1, the total hour of the class time that you had, which means like if you have 3 lectures in a day, you will be having about, let's say, 3 hours and 45 minutes every day, right? So you multiply that into 4 times because you have lectures 4 days in a week, and that's the number of hours of class time you have every week. So this remains same for all your weeks over here, unless you didn't have a class someday, so your hours become less, or you had an extra class or a makeup class, so your hours for the class time become more. I hope you understand this. The second is the studying time, which means if you remember, you had put the study hours in between 2 taught sessions, or in the free periods, or in the evenings when you go home you put your study time, or on the weekends. So total all your study hours for each week, and that's what you put here for week 1, week 2, week 3, 4, and 5. Then the number of sleeping hours. Remember, you put sleeping time, maybe 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and then in the morning you put the waking time for the next log. So calculate how many hours did you sleep. So total number of hours of your sleep in week 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then exercise and sports, if you're spending time in there, put the total number of exercise and sports, hours in week 1, week 2, 3, 4. If you don't have any exercise and sports, well, your hours are 0. So you just put a 0 on that. Or maybe one day you went for a walk for an hour or so, you just put that. Or maybe 2 days you went for swimming, so you can put, whatever time you did the swimming for. Family commitments, maybe, you helped your family, taught your brother, whatever, family commitments, so you can put some hours on that. Something which you've done regularly, under this category. Then personal care and grooming, the time you take for shower, getting ready, so all those total number of hours, again, for each week. Then the meal preparation, eating, cleanup, like if you have your mom in cooking and how much time you take for eating. So total number of hours per week you have to put in this assignment. Transportation, again, the travel time from college and to the college. So total number of hours which you spend every week, that's what you put over here. Of course, you get all the information from your daily log. That's why I said it's connected to your daily logs. You need that to complete this chart. Relaxation, chatting, TV, reading, so all the relaxation activities, entertainment activities that you did, again, total number of hours here. Then socializing with friends, like the party, going out, or, going for dinner to some place, to your grandparents' house, all that number of hours come here. Anything extra, anything, which you feel it doesn't fit these categories which I've shown you, you put under hours. So your total should come to 168 approximately. 168 is basically, 24 hours of each day multiplied by 7 days of the week. So that is how we get the total of 168 hours per week. So you have 168 hours every week. And let's see how many hours out of 168 do you spend in classes, studying, sleeping, exercising, family, personal, meal time, transportation, etc., etc., etc. So this is what you put for each week. And after you have completed this table, you're going to study how much time, did you take in each activity, and are there any changes across 5 weeks? Does some activity reduce the number of hours, or does some activity increase in the number of hours? So if the good activities are increasing, that's a good thing. If the time wasting activities are increasing, that's not a very good thing. But if time wasting activity is becoming less, then maybe that's a good sign that you are focusing more on useful activities than on something which wastes your time. So you got to study this chart after you fill in, and you're going to see your pattern of the number of hours spent in these categories. And on that pattern, you're going to write your paragraph over here. So this is going to be like a report on the analysis of your 5 weeks daily log. I hope you're able to understand this. Well, if you still have any questions, feel free to ask in the Moodle comment box, because we'll have holidays in the next few days. So but you can come in my office hour also on Thursday, and any other day that I have office hour. And those students who are a week behind in daily log, those who came late to college, and I said you will do one more extra daily log, please, you have to do for one more week and meet me so I can give you the permission to submit your assignment 1 week later, because you will have to have 5 logs to complete this chart. You cannot do it with 4 weeks, all right? So meet me in my office to let me know that you are the one who came late and I gave you permission to do one more log. So, well, that's about it. I hope you understand the assignment and you can do well and you will get the full grade, hopefully. Bye-bye. Thank you.